If you are just starting out making videos on YouTube and just thinking about making a cover picture or thumbnail makes you feel super stressed out and confused, please trust me on this. You are definitely not the only person who feels this way. It is completely normal to feel like it is way too hard. But what if I told you there is a cool new computer tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you out? This tool is about to become your best kept secret for growing your channel. The tool I am talking about today is called Clipkraft.ai. Just imagine being able to make super amazing, high-quality cover pictures for your videos in just a few seconds. These pictures will make people really want to click on your videos, and the best part is that you do not even need to know how to use complicated editing software. In this video today, I'm going to hold your hand and show you exactly how to do this, step by step. Make sure you keep watching until the very end of the video because you really do not want to miss the coolest extra features I have to show you. Go ahead and open up Google on your computer and type in the word Clipkraft. Hit search and then click on the very first link that shows up on your screen. This link will take you straight to their main website, which looks really cool and modern. Right away, if you scroll down the page a little bit, you will see a whole bunch of awesome example thumbnails. These examples show you just how great the pictures look and the many different types of pictures that other creators are already making using this website. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You can easily sign into the website by just using your normal Gmail account. After you log in, you will see the main screen where you do all your work. I really love how neat and easy to read it is. There is no messy stuff anywhere. On this main screen, you will see a few important areas. There's the thumbnail studio, which is where you will make most of your pictures. There's the thumbnail video area, which takes your still pictures and turns them into short, moving videos. There is also an edit section where you can change and fix up pictures you already have online. You will also see a library to save your stuff, a marketing studio, and a super interesting tool called Create Persona. Let's talk more about that Persona tool. What does it actually mean and what does it do? Basically, Clipkraft looks very closely at the faces in the photos you give it. It learns exactly how your face looks when you smile or frown, and it builds a special profile just for you. Let me show you exactly how this works. I will click on the button that says Create Persona, and I will give it a name. Let's just call it Krish for right now. Now you can select multiple photos or select just one. For clearer thumbnail generation, you can follow the guidelines below, which say that for the best YouTube thumbnail generation, a minimum of 2 to 3 images is needed. Okay, so now for my example, I'm going to upload pictures of my own face right here. I only had about 3 or 4 pictures ready to use, but to get the very best pictures back, you should really try to give the computer around 20 clear, good pictures of yourself. I will skip the extra details you don't have to fill out and click Create Persona. Wow, the profile is all done. Now you just click on your new profile and press Train Now. The Clipkraft will tell you how good the training was with a score. My score was 83 out of 100. If I had given it more pictures of my face, that number would have been way higher. To show you how amazing this really is, let's try making a profile for a famous YouTuber, Mr. Beast. I'm going to upload a few pictures of Mr. Beast, skip the extra typing, and make his profile. Look at that score! We got a huge 85 out of 100. Because the score is so high, this is going to give us some really awesome pictures in the end. Okay, now let's go to the best part of the website, the thumbnail studio. In this area, you have a few different ways to make your pictures. You can let Clipkraft make a picture by just giving it a link to a YouTube video, or you can use the text-to-image tool. If you use the text-to-image tool, you have to type in a prompt telling it what to draw. If you can't think of what to type, don't worry, you can just upload a picture you already like. I have typed in my special prompt, and the website is asking me to pick a persona profile. I'm going to pick the profile we made for Mr. Beast. I will choose the normal widescreen shape that YouTube uses and hit the Generate button to make the picture. After waiting for a few seconds, Just look at this beautiful piece of art. The picture it made looks exactly like a real photograph. If you love how it looks, all you have to do is click the download button right over here. I also tried typing in the exact same sentence, but this time I used the profile with my own face.
Again, waiting for a few seconds.
Even though I only gave Clipcraft a few pictures to learn from, the picture it made still looks really good. If I had given it more pictures with lots of different faces, like happy, sad, or surprised, it would look even better and more accurate. Okay, let's try out the tool where you turn a web link into a picture. I'm going to copy the web link from one of my YouTube videos, paste it into the box, and click the Analyze button so Clipcraft can look at it. The smart Clipcraft looks at everything in the video and figures out where all the objects are supposed to be. I will pick our Mr. Beast profile one more time and click the button to make the picture.
Again, waiting for a few seconds.
Can you believe this? Clipcraft completely copied how the Mr. Beast picture was set up. It looks so perfect, like he was actually there when they took the photo. After you do this, you again have multiple options, like you can regenerate the scene, adjust colors, edit the text, and you can even go into the AI edit section to make even more changes. And see what a good quality thumbnail Clipcraft has created. Now you can download it after making every change. Now, we are going to do something that is just super awesome. We are going to take our still frozen picture and turn it into a moving video. Go all the way back to your main screen and click on Thumbnail Video. Next, upload the picture that we want animated, then type in a sentence telling Clipcraft how you want the picture to move around and click the button that says Generate Video.
Again, waiting for a few seconds.
The plain picture suddenly comes to life as a really clear moving video clip. Now you can download the video. Finally, let's take a look at the Marketing Studio. This tool is an absolute lifesaver if you're making videos where you review gadgets or show off products because you might need your character to actually hold something in their hands. I will upload a picture of a product, pick my own face profile, type in what I want it to do, like I told it, smiling young man holding this perfume bottle in one hand, clean studio background, and click the button to make the picture.
Again, waiting for a few seconds. The smart Clipcraft made a perfect picture of me holding a body perfume, and it looks completely normal.
I then changed the profile to use Mr. Beast's face again, keeping the exact same typing.
Again, waiting for a few seconds.
And the picture it gave me was so real it took my breath away. The way he's standing and the look on his face, everything about it is just perfect. So, when your awesome picture is finally finished, saving it to your computer is super easy. All you have to do is click on Download Image, pick how big you want the picture to be, and choose the file type you want to save it as, like a standard photo file. Let's talk really fast about how much this costs. To use all these cool tools, their cheapest package starts at just $5, which is a really great and easy price to start with. If you need to make more pictures, they have other packages for $10, $20, and $40. You can just pick the package that works best for how many videos you make. It has 70% off for the first month if you use code STARTER70 at checkout. I have put all the important web links down in the description box below this video, so you should definitely click on them and check it out for yourself. If you thought this step-by-step guide was helpful and you liked watching the video today, please do me a really big favor. Hit that like button as hard as you can and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video.